Hi, my name's Carol. I'm with the Asian American Donor Program, and we recruit ethnic minority donors for the National Marrow Donor Program Registry, which is now called Be the Match Registry. And I would like to encourage all healthy individuals between the ages of 18 and 60 that are ethnic minority to join the Be the Match Registry and help save a life. Only you can make a difference in their life. It's the only time that you can actually donate an organ, and you have to be alive and healthy and you get your organ back. And I would like to encourage everybody to participate by going to our website, check us out, or request a home kit by going to www.aadp.org or call us at 800-593-6667. There's about 6,000 people every day looking for a bone marrow donor in order to save their life, and I'd like you to help and be that donor.